most important is to fulfill customer needs. Yeah, to be in a same swing with them and to have the right development for fulfilling. So especially to reduce time to market, for example. Yeah, and to fulfill the right quality. Yeah, not a quality which is something is fancy, where the colors are important. We have to fulfill really the needs from the customers, from the pharmaceutical industry. That's a difference in the quality. Yeah? It's a more precise quality in repeating all the details which are on the leaflet. For sure, the base was the quality of the results. Less shine through, which is always a topic with thin print paper. And in digital printing, that was the biggest thing, and the runnability of all our pharmaceutical released papers. Yeah? It's not only the visible appearance, it was also with the cameras which are controlling, and also the code reading systems. They have to manage this new technology, and in combination for sure with the camera process in the communication. Yeah.
No, you can see there's a decreasing the volume for each order. Yeah, this is not an increasing market in this case. In global, you see it's increasing, but for each order it's decreasing. And for this, it's clearly the digital printing a big advantage for this. 40% of our printing capacity comes from the digital machines. For 12 years, it was impossible to print on a 40 GSM thin print paper. And this was one of the biggest requests, to have the same quality that nobody can see. It's an offset printed leaflet or it's a digital printed leaflet. So this was the first request. Yeah, we have two mono machines for black production, and the color machine for the color leaflets, and it's more and more common. And also it's more and more common also thicker materials, coated materials, and for this is the SC Blast ink really perfect. Because our printing portfolio is not even in the 40 GSM paper like most of all pharmaceutical leaflets are. So we have a range from 40 GSM up to 250 GSM. So it's a folding card. It's a coated paper, it's a coated and uncoated. And this was the only one was, in this case, was green, that we can have both. Otherwise you have to bring not even 3 machines inside, you have to bring 6 machines inside. And when you look in our production, it's impossible to have the space for 6 digital lines. So the flexibility from a Truepress 520 was was very important for us. Yeah, and for this, a pharmaceutical leaflet must be readable.
I can say we already signed the next order for the next machine. I hope this is enough. After having the first 3 machines installed with 3/4 a year ago.